Aimsy's Antics and welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you another DIY video in the form of a beauty DIY. Today we're looking at how to make your very own bath bombs. Now making your own bath bomb is super easy and quite cheap to make. It only consists of a few ingredients and I believe they are quite a lot cheaper than purchasing bath bombs from the reputable bath bomb companies that are out there. This bath bomb has a little bit more of a luxury to it. It is a Jo Malone Inspired Bath Bomb, and it is Jo Malone inspired because it is using the fragrance Fig and Cassis, which is one of the fragrances of their products, I believe. So if you fancy pampering yourself and having a go at making your own bath bombs, then keep watching and let's get crafting. So to make these bath bombs you are going to need bicarbonate of soda, citric acid, coconut oil, Epsom salts, witch hazel, Fig and Cassis fragrance oil, your bath bomb moulds and corn flour. You'll also need a large mixing bowl, 1 to 2 whisks, a measuring jug, measuring spoons and pipettes, as well as measuring cups. Before making the bath bombs you want to prepare a tray with some greaseproof paper to place your made bath bombs onto. Measure out 1 cup of your bicarbonate of soda and place it into your mixing bowl. Then add into this 3 tablespoons of Epsom salt. Then grab your corn flour and add in half a cup to the mixture. Finally, you want to add in another half cup of citric acid to the rest of the dry mixture. Whisk your dry mixture together to get rid of any lumps and so it is fully combined together, and set aside. Melt 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in your measuring jug and then grab your fragrance oil. Here we are adding 3 millilitres using the pipette. To make this safe for the skin, fragrance oil or essential oils should be the total of 1% from the total amount of the mixture. So as this is nearly 300 grams, we are adding 3 millilitres of fragrance. Then grab your colourant and add it to the coconut oil and fragrance mixture, stirring this in. As you can see, it does ball up in the coconut oil, but I like to add it this way to gently incorporate it to the mixture. But as you will see, I do need to add a little bit into the dry mixture later on to give it a bit more of the colour I would like. Once you are happy with the colour, start to add this to the dry mix slowly and gently, whisking fast so that the citric acid doesn't have time to react. If it does start to react, you won't have a fizz to your bath bomb, which is what you do not want. Keep going until it is fully incorporated. You might find that the colours do clump together and you may need to use your hands to start mixing. As you are adding the liquid, you will feel the consistency of the bath bomb mixture start to change. It'll become a bit more damp and start to clump slightly. What you are looking for, ideally, is wet sand consistency. Now this might not be achieved fully with the oil mixture that you add, so that is where your witch hazel comes in. Now grab your moulds. I added some dried flowers for a bit of extra decoration. Then put your witch hazel in a spray bottle, gently spray in the slightly damp mixture and begin to mix and combine. Again, waiting to feel for this damp sand consistency. Be careful not to spray too much of the witch hazel at once, as this will cause a reaction with the citric acid, reducing the amount of fizz you will get when you come to use your bath bomb. As you can see, the mixture is changing and it is clumping together. Once it is clumping together and you can throw it about a little bit, the mixture is ready to be moulded. Take 1/2 of your bath bomb mould and begin sprinkling in the bath bomb mixture. You don't want to pack this down just yet, just keep piling it up until it is higher than the bath bomb mould, so you want it into a bit of a heap. Do the same with the other half of the mould. Again, do not press it down. You want a loose mixture in the mould. Once your two halves are ready, you want to gently press them together, allowing the excess to fall over the side. This will create an equal pressure and push the bath bomb together, joining it at the middle. Keep it in the mould for a few seconds and then grab your spoon and tap one end of the bath bomb mould on the top, like so. This will reduce any air pressure that has formed from pushing the bath bomb mould together and should release your bath bomb without it breaking in the middle. Keep your fingers crossed for this. Remove the other half of the bath bomb mould and place your now fully formed bath bomb on the tray, leaving to dry for at least 24 to 48 hours. Then you have your lovely Jo Malone Inspired Bath Bomb to enjoy. So there you have how to make your very own Jo Malone Inspired Bath Bombs. Super easy to make, super cheap to make, they smell absolutely amazing and they make the perfect gift for your family and friends as well as yourself. You've got to treat yourself every once in a while, and what a perfect way of doing it with a Jo Malone Inspired Bath Bomb. I can't think of anything better. Well, I probably can. A nice holiday abroad would be nice. Somewhere sunny. That would be the perfect gift to myself. But anyway, I digress. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a little thumbs up and hit that subscribe button wherever that is, to keep up with more of my crafting and travel antics. Until next time, bye!